I'm Celeste Mumford, creator and CEO of J. Lexi LLC. Today I wanted to talk to you about winter-proofing your skin. That's right, when the weather gets cold and the wind is blowing and there's frost and snow and the temperature drops on the outside, and then when you go into your home or to your work or, inside a building where there's drying heat, it does take a toll on your skin and give your skin a beating. So what I'd like to do today is introduce you to our Winter Skin Survival Set. This set contains 3 full-size products. You get a 6-ounce Marigold and Henna face and body conditioning bar. This bar is super conditioning. It has a little different feel to it. It's not super sudsy. It might be more of a creamy washing or creamy cleansing. So along with that 6-ounce Marigold and Henna face and body bar, you also get an 8-ounce shea and mango raw sugar scrub. That is excellent in exfoliating the top dead layer of your skin, which helps to soften and reveal healthy skin. In addition to those 2, you also get a 5-ounce whipped shea butter cream. So the moisturizing whipped shea butter, you get the scrub, and you get the soap. And those 3 work together in conjunction, and they're all on one accord to help give you healthy and beautiful skin. And the way you do it, you bathe or shower, you use the soap, you turn off the water after you saturate your body in whatever you're going to use, a washcloth or sponge. You suds that up good, you turn off the water, and you wash your body twice. And you might ask, why are you turning off the water? The thing is, your skin, being your largest organ, absorbs everything you put on it, even rinse off products. So I want you to turn off the water while you lather up, so that your skin has a moment to receive all this nourishment and this real skin food. Okay, so you bathed, you washed, then you're going to apply the scrub. The scrub you apply from the feet to your torso, and then from your neck to your torso. And in doing that, you help your lymphatic system with drainage. So that's the way you put on the scrub. Then you're going to rinse that off well. After the scrub is rinsed off, you get out of the tub or shower, and you apply the whipped moisturizing shea butter directly to your damp skin. And you do that because the water that's on your body, the hydration, so to speak, is locked in when you put that creamy whipped butter on top of it. So there you have it. That's my solution to help you to have hydrated, moisturized, and beautiful skin this winter. The whipped moisturizing shea butter, the mango and shea raw sugar scrub, and the Marigold and Henna conditioning face and body bar. All of those can be found individually or packaged together as a set at our website, jlexillc.com. That is jlexillc.com. I thank you for watching. I'm Celeste Mumford, creator and CEO of J. Lexi LLC. Thank you for watching. Make it a great day. God bless.